So this thing you hang in your shower to hold your towels and your little accessories, whatever you want to call it. When you hang your towel on those hooks, the towel is kind of bunched up, so it doesn't allow it to breathe and dry properly. So I came up with this idea, and I want to see how that works. I'm going to use a shower curtain rod to attach here to here and use some type of hooks to hang the towel. So let me show you how I'm gonna do it. So I went to the store. I bought these like clothespins, and I bought curtain hooks on a shower rod. So now I need to modify these clips by drilling a hole here to allow this to slide in that hole, and use this on the shower rod to hold the towels. So I took a 3/16 drill bit. It has this big hump right here, so I'm gonna remove this hump and then slide it in this hole. So now I just need to do this 5 more times. I have these ready. Now all I have to do is hang up the shower rod.